When your regular pesticides aren't cutting it, consider rotating in a product made with Chlorfenapyr. Chlorfenapyr products are made for this reason. When insects build a resistance to certain chemicals, other options may be used to regain control of the situation. In this video, we'll teach you about the active ingredient itself and show you how to use products made with it. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. Chlorfenapyr is a slow-acting ingredient that offers a different mode of action from the common pyrethroids typically used for pest control. Chlorfenapyr is a pyrrole. While pyrethroids target the nervous system, pyrroles inhibit energy production. Products made with Chlorfenapyr usually come in liquid concentrates, but other formulations like aerosols may also be available. Products made with Chlorfenapyr are made to control a wide range of insect pests from moths to bedbugs, and other pests like spiders and mites. Once applied, Chlorfenapyr remains inactive until it detects biological activity. It activates on contact with the pest or upon ingestion. Chlorfenapyr inhibits the production of adenosine triphosphate within the cell's mitochondria. This disrupts energy production and eventually causes the pest's death. Chlorfenapyr works slowly, so keep in mind that symptoms may not be observed in affected pests until several days after exposure. Chlorfenapyr insecticides are safe to use when applied according to their product label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when applying insecticides and keep them out of reach of any children or pets. Exposure via consumption, inhalation, or direct skin contact may cause harm. Always wait for the product to dry completely before letting people or pets around the area. Always read your product's label thoroughly before use. If you're looking for a Chlorfenapyr product to work into your insecticide rotation, check out Spectre 2 SC. Spectre 2 SC is a non-repellent insecticide designed to control common household intruders around the perimeters of residential structures, commercial areas, and warehouse establishments. This product is a concentrate and must be mixed with water before use. On residential or smaller commercial properties, a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer may be used. For general pest control applications, mix Spectre 2 SC at a rate of 1.5 to 3 ounces of concentrate into 1 gallon of water and apply the solution over 1,000 square feet of treatment area. When spraying indoors, spray directly into cracks and crevices where pests are known to hide. When spraying outdoors, focus your application on cracks and crevices surrounding doors, windows, eaves, vents, and anywhere else insects might gain access to your home. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can eliminate insect infestations in and around your home, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.